Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make spicy garlic chutney.
If you are a spicy food lover, you will enjoy this recipe. This recipe is extra spicy and tasty. Let's move to the video. In a bowl, take 15 dry red chillies, add some hot water and soak for 20 minutes. It becomes soft, drain the water and keep it for later use. In a pan, take 2 teaspoons oil and heat it. Add 15 to 18 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger and saute it for 2 minutes. Then add the dry red chillies and saute it for 3 minutes. Now transfer it into a grinder jar. Add half teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon salt and grind it into a thick paste. In a pan, take 2 teaspoon oil, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutters. Then add half teaspoon cumin seeds. Wait until it splutters. Now add 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida powder. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. Then add the red chilli garlic paste and mix it well. Saute it for 2 minutes. Switch off the flame. Our red chilli garlic chutney is ready. This is a very spicy chutney. You can have it with any type of foods. You can also store it for longer time.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.